All right, so there's been lots of videos on the Neo 2. It's been out for a little while. Took me a while to get this. Yeah, these aren't that easy to get anymore. But so, for me, I think the feature that convinced me to buy this is the gesture control feature. I'm going to demonstrate that in this video. For the most part, the video quality is about the same as the Neo 1. The camera is the same, but now we're on a 2-axis gimbal instead of 1-axis gimbal. So stabilization doesn't have to crop in as much, so the video quality is a little bit better in that aspect. But mainly, yeah, it's a little bit better wind resistance. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier. It's got obstacle avoidance. That's the biggest thing, one of the biggest features of the newer version. But yeah, the gesture control is what I'm most interested in, seeing how well this, can basically position the Neo 2 wherever you want. I don't have the transmission module for the remote control and all that, so that's going to come out in a future video because I still waiting for that part. I did buy this kind of piecemeal, but going to do a quick demo of what the gesture control is like on this. All right, so I got it up in the air. There's a little blue light in the front. You just hold your fist like this, and then put your hand out so you can move it up or down. Put 2 hands together, you can move it further away. Very cool. 1 hand out, move it over like this, move it up, move it over to the left over here, move your hands apart again, it's going to go further away. You can move it up again. Pretty much position it wherever you want. So this is the thing about the follow mode that is much better now. It should be able to follow me on the side when I'm riding these scooters around. And I can just pretty much use my hand to position the drone wherever I want. If I want to bring it closer, just put 2 hands out and bring it closer by pulling the hands together like that. It's quite easy to put the drone wherever you want. And then you put your fist together like this and then it'll stop. So, very simple demo of the gesture control. Let's put it back again. A little further away. A little, move it up. Like that. Move it over to the side. Very responsive. I'll put my hands out again. Let's bring it closer. And close my fist. And I'll put my hand out. And I'll come back down and land. Yeah, so super easy to use the gesture control feature. You don't even have to learn any of the other functions. There's buttons on here. You can go through the menus and all this stuff, and that's completely unnecessary. It's just for positioning the drone. I'm not even using the app. You can use the app to position the drone, but literally you can do everything with just gesture controls, which is the best feature of this drone. I kind of wish they would have included this in the or added it to the Neo 1, but of course then, who would buy the Neo 2? That's kind of why they forced me to buy the Neo 2. But so, yeah, you don't really, while there's a lot of other tutorials on how to use the app and using the buttons, the gesture control feature is so much easier that I don't even know why anyone would want to use something else. But that's going to do it for this video. I'll have more videos on the Neo 2 as I get the other parts in the future, so stay tuned to the channel for those videos, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.